Hey everyone! Today we're gonna learn how to know if na-replace ba yung screen ng iPhone na nabili natin sa Amazon Renewed. Let's go! Hello everyone! So we're back. We have comments here and they're saying na alam ko daw ba kung replace na yung iPhone screen? Well, that's a good question. Actually, hindi ko siya napansin kasi halatang original naman. But anyway, let's check para naman malaman natin. Kaya nagtanong ako kay ChatGPT kung paano ba natin malalaman kung original yung screen or replace. First daw, open the settings, tap display and brightness, look for true tone. If the true tone is there, the screen is original. Kung wala, this is replaced. Okay, may true tone naman siya, meaning original yung screen. So, yep guys, okay naman yung iPhone 12 mini na to. Original yung parts niya. So, kaso guys, I've decided na i-return ko to sa Amazon since may mga scratches siya. Kung matagal na kayong nag-follow sa akin, alam nyong excellent condition yung binibili ko at I am expecting na minimal scratches lang siya. Pero nakita nyo naman, medyo madami yung scratches niya. So, here I am. Shina-shutdown na natin si iPhone 12 mini at pupunta na kami sa LBC para i-return yung gadget. This is my first time guys na mag-return ng gadget kasi ever since magaganda talaga yung mga nabibili ko from abroad. So please bear with me guys, gagawa ako ng update kung paano yung naging experience ko sa pag-return. Ayun lang, see you on my next video. Bye!